Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mass World. Today I will show you how to make this super soft fluffy buns puff puff style. I call it puff puff style because they have the same texture, and trust me, they taste so good. It's very easy and beginner friendly. Without wasting much time, let's get started. In a bowl, add in flour, sugar, baking powder, milk flavor, powdered milk, nutmeg, and then go ahead to mix everything together to combine well. Please make sure you watch the video to the very end so that you know the reason why I said it is puff puff style, okay? And as you are watching, give this video a thumbs up, okay? Once you are done mixing, go in with your butter and mix until there is no trace of butter in your dry ingredients. Let me know where you're watching this video in the comment section. And if you are new here, you are welcome to the Mass World. Thank you for stopping by. Please don't make it your last, alright? Subscribe to the channel if you have not. Like this video and also turn on the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Once you are done mixing, go ahead and make a well at the center because it is time to add your dry ingredients. At this point, go in with your liquid milk and egg. These are the two wet ingredients I'll be using. I will not be adding water into this recipe, alright? Go ahead and mix until you get the right consistency. Don't forget, I'm using only milk and egg as my liquid ingredients. I did not add any atom of water into this batter. And again, do not add in all your milk at a time. Make sure you add it in bit by bit, alright? So as you can see, the batter is looking like that of the puff puff. And after mixing this, you just have to cover it and allow it to rest for at least 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, heat up some oil and start scooping in your butter into the hot oil. Doing this is not always easy, especially the first time. You may not get it at first, but as time goes on, you start getting it right. Once you are done scooping, keep turning them so that they can fry evenly on all sides, alright? Once the buns is done, take it out of the oil and place on a paper towel or a sieve to drain excess oil. Just look at that soft, fluffy buns that is ready to enjoy. And honestly speaking, this is very delicious. So guys, by now you should know the reason why I said it is puff puff style. And that is because of the batter texture. So if you want your buns to be rocky, you should minimize the liquids you add into it, okay? I also made a video on how to make the perfect rock buns. It is right there on my channel. You can as well check it out. So guys, just look at how appetizing this buns is looking. Honestly, it is so soft and of course delicious, and they are perfect for breakfast or even snack time. So if you're among those that don't like rock buns, this recipe is for you. Just try it out and thank me later, okay? So my loves, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Mass World for more easy recipes like this. Bye for now, and I will see you on my next video.